iVisit 3D VR objects are great to present volumetries. Whether it's about a small piece of furniture or an entire building, they can easily be turned and viewed from all sides. While navigating, the camera moves around the model on the surface of a large virtual sphere, or at least part of this sphere depending on your settings. In Artlantis, first we select the VR object presentation mode and open the inspector. By default, Artlantis creates the first VR object and we can start to edit or duplicate it. In the preview, the navigation feature changes and we can turn the model like a ready-made VR object. In the 2D window, the camera is represented by the blue dot, which moves on the surface of a virtual sphere. The limit of this sphere is flexible, and we can easily grab it and stretch it to enlarge the sphere in all directions. The small red dots represent the viewpoints from where Artlantis will calculate frames composing the final VR object. Their number can be increased or decreased separately by entering different values for the horizontal and vertical directions right in the inspector. As an additional information, Artlantis will highlight the total number of frames as a result of that specific setting. We don't always need the complete sphere to present an object, and these icons will allow us to edit this sphere in a vertical direction. We can cut it in half and see the foundations of the building, for example, or use a slice of it depending on what we would like to present. It's also possible to edit the sphere horizontally. We'll choose the top view in the 2D window and in the inspector change the horizontal angle from 360 degrees to 180. The sphere was cut in half again, but vertically this time. If the horizontal shift value is 0, this hemisphere will be positioned accordingly. It's also possible to edit these parameters graphically directly in the 2D window. Grabbing the left side of the hemisphere will change the horizontal angle, and the right side will change the horizontal shift. In the inspector, the rest of the parameters are already familiar to us. We can activate an infinite ground separately for each VR object and edit the shader on it. We can assign active, customized backgrounds, layers, or lights. By activating a heliodon in 45 degrees, we can achieve a nice animated effect of the light and at the same time avoid having shaded or dark facades on this building. In the rendering options, we'll set the size of the navigation window and the number of frames appear here too as an information. There is one single output format available, and that is HTML. When the calculation of the iVisit VR object is ready, there will be a folder containing the HTML file, a folder containing the Flash viewer, and another folder with the assets. Any browser can open it easily, and it can also be added to websites or mobile devices. Share your projects through the web and enjoy the interactivity of Artlantis' iVisit 3D.